Hey guys, welcome to Pine Badger Outdoors. Today, well, we're decided to go out for a little day camp, Willie and I. Been a while since we put a video on. We've been pretty busy. Life things, you know how it is. But anyway guys, stay tuned. We'll give you a little tour. We brought a little thermos of coffee. And I brought a little tarp too. I don't know if I'm going to set it up though. It's just a nice little snow here. But we'll take you out to the clearing. It's snowing a little bit harder than it looks. So I'll bring you guys back in a bit. Thanks, guys. Well, guys, we decided to put us up a little shelter. Now, don't judge me for it, guys, because this is just a day camp. You'll have to forgive the camera for shaking here a bit, guys. I'm just trying to get my gloves back on. And that's never easy. Whoa, sorry. With wet hands. So yeah, we're just out for a little hike today. A little day hike, and we brought some coffee and well, brought something quick with some bologna we might fry up, Will and I. Willie's favorite is bologna and peeing on trees. And Willie's been due. We haven't been out in a while. You can tell, guys, by the... I've got a really nice crust. I don't know if you can tell, but I got snow today on the camera, so forgive me, guys, if it's not. But yeah, you can see it here. Maybe the amount of snow, but we've got a nice crust because we had gotten some rain here a while back up here. And anyways, me and Will, we've been wanting to get out a while. Willie's having a good time. So yeah, we're just taking a little random walk through the woods here, guys. And you know, there's not a friggin' animal track in sight. Now, mind you, I say there is a crust, but you're still kind of sinking. Still, the snow here's, oh, we gotta set way down in there. But if we go down in those red bushes, we're gonna sink. So yeah, it's a really nice time of the year now. Well, it's starting to be. We've had, well, I guess I'm old enough to say it now, guys. This winter was one like when I was a little guy. Once it set in, it was just brutal cold. And the wind. When it just set in like January, up here January was always a little snappy, but I did a lot more camping the winter before, but I wasn't doing videos then. But it was just way different temperature. But anyways, I'll give you a little rundown of what we're doing today. We just got our little shelter here, and like I said, guys, it's nothing, even right down to the rope. That's why I made it like a lean-to here, so I could just empty it once in a while. I just made it like a lean-to kind of deal. And the rope, I was kind of out of paracord, so I got to restock my supply there. But this is a little tarp, just a little woods tarp. That's the small one I have. The white one I have is bigger. I like them, they're light. And this one's small, good for this. But yeah, I just use this twine. And you almost got to burn it, guys, because if you cut it, it's like instant fray. But it's very strong, and it's what I had in the cabinet. So we're just going to come out here and give you guys a little, so you can see the snow here. And basically this is what I like about this little hole right here. I have camped in here twice with my grandson Axel, just in that spot where the tarp is. over the years, because it's literally just a little hole in the trees. But we do have a good snow today. Big flakes. And I was on the fence because I really thought I would need snowshoes. Willy bug! Come on, big guy! Come on, big guy! Ah, nice flyby, Willy. Ah, look at that face, guys. Let's go do it again. Come on, Buck! Yeah, that's what they're paying for, big guy. That's the action shots, guys. You know what I mean? That's the action shot. No, seriously though, he's been penned up all winter long. And I think it shows. I don't know if you guys notice, but I think he's probably a little chunkier than you from the last video he's been in, because it's been a while. He's filling out a bit. He's getting a little older now. Getting to be an old buck, pushing 4. Yeah. But anyways, yeah. Okay, Will's a little bit gone over the top of the movie star. But he's having a good time. I'm having a good time. Hey guys, I sure hope you're having a good time with me. It's just sometimes, you know, it's not always easy to get out. Sometimes life just keeps throwing you some curveballs and stuff you have to deal with, you know. So yeah, getting back to myself more, feeling more like, and the weather had a lot to do with it, because I will admit, when the weather turns like that, I mean, you know, 25 below out here in the woods is no more fun than standing in the middle of your lawn or back lawn at minus 25. It's the same thing. It's not that much fun, really. And this winter's been brutal. Today, the biggest thing we have to do today is stay dry, and that's why I wore this coat. Little jacket is lined. That was a gift I got years ago from Carrie. And I've kind of, you know, I don't wear it so much anymore because I kind of got the zippers all wore out of it. But I like it because it's one of those lightweight, and keeps you dry. And today is like -1. I checked before I left the house. So anyways, let's just spin you guys back around here. So peaceful out here. Well, I say that, you hear a truck in the distance. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to keep you updated, and we'll get some more videos out. And probably in another month or so, I'll start my old suburban overlander build. But like I said, I don't know if I'm going to video much of that. I might just do a little clip of the first beginning, and when it's completely done, make a little thing. And that's going to broaden our horizons, so to speak. But yeah, this is a nice little shelter here. So I think what we're going to do a bit later, we're going to just fry us up a little bit of bologna. And I know it seems like an odd lunch, but you know what? We like it. So anyway, guys, Thanks for hanging on and waiting for the next video from Willie and I. We sure do appreciate it. Thank you. Okay, guys. You know, I was telling my wife, I said, I'm sure some guys watch videos and they have all these, really nice cooking scenes, and they put time into it, and they make really, really nice videos. Really nice videos, like the food looks awesome, and then you guys tune in and watch Willie and I. Well, now there's the other genre of the camping video. But Will and I today are just going to keep it simple. We're just going to heat up a little bit of bologna. Cooking with Willie. Yeah. Have a little titanium deal here. You wait your turn there, Buck. I guess it really doesn't matter much because I'm just looking to warm it up. On the little fiasco with Luke, when he cut himself, when I came back to camp, my boot had melted against the stove, so the little piezo lighter doesn't work anymore. Because like I told you guys, I brought him out in my slippers. And he's doing fine, by the way. Chalk it up to experience. But yeah. Well, that was a bad move on my part, wasn't it? Sorry for the noise, guys. So yeah, these are supposed to be Tupperware. This is off subject, but they don't really lock for crap. But I do have this strap that I took from the shop. It's just a really good Velcro strap. That seems to work pretty good. What are you thinking about, Willie? Quick and easy, what's wrong with that? Want in on that, Bob? Yeah, sure you do, well. So yeah, we're just going to finish our little lunch here. Pack it up. Head back to the house. Guys, people can make fun of bologna all they want. We like it. I bought that little pan years ago. I think at the superstore. On clearance years ago for like $4 or something. Guys, this is pretty good. So yeah, turned out to be quite a little storm here. I think we're calling for 8 inches, maybe a foot. And we were supposed to get freezing rain last night, but we didn't really get it. And I did forget one thing. It's funny, eh? You do this kind of stuff, and it doesn't matter how much you do it. It's like a joke. It's like a running joke. You always forget something. And I have this habit where it's all gone, buddy. You want one more? Huh? You want one more, bud? We brought an emergency piece. Willie needs to bring his energy up. Those flybys, those are hard on him, guys. I mean, it's all pretty on camera, but it's not easy being a movie star, is it, bud? But it's true. Some of my friends enjoy watching Willie on the videos because he is his own being, isn't he? Huh? It's all gone, buddy. Oh, I hate these containers. I so would never be sponsored by Tupperware, guys. At least not that version of it. So yes, nice thing is this time of the year, everything cools off very quickly. And I'm having a little bit easier time with the batteries, guys, because I just brought well, it's all I have. I have 2 small batteries that came with the camera. Well, now I'm probably up to like maybe 15 minutes of record with it, so that's pretty freaking good. Stop. There's no more, buddy. There's no more. No. No. Stop. That's pretty good to where I was like in the cold weather. Like last fall, we did the 2-day camp. I had a hard time. And we weren't even into super cold weather then. It's just the 2 days. And I brought my little containers. I reuse these little containers. This, I think, was a flashlight I bought off of Wish, which is a really good flashlight, by the way. But I just reused the container because it's got all that foam stuff in it. It makes a great little camera case. And the friggin' little thing is, it's waterproof. So that's really good for, well, out here. Because even on a day like today, well, today is like, you know, probably one of the nastier days because when you go home, all your gear is wet because of the snow. So you really got to make sure everything is good. Buck, stop. There's no more, buddy. There's no such thing. He thinks there's bologna crumbs. But yeah, he was due to get out. I was due to get out. It has been a very long winter up here, and it's been brutal. Brutal cold, wind, constant. Usually we always have a little break, but this year we just did not seem to. Not that we're going to need it, but you know what? I think I'm going to just carry it because it's easier than in the backpack because it's bulky in there. Bought this saw years ago, guys. It's made by Fiskars, or that's how I say it. And it just locks in 2 positions. And it's got, I don't know, it's the only one of these I've never broke. But then again, I've never used a, okay buddy, stop that. I've never used a Silky boy only when I was with Luke. Get out of there, buddy. Buddy, stop. Go. Go find a squirrel, big guy. Squirrels don't hibernate. Jesus. There's no more buck. Look. Look. Coffee. That's what he really needs. Coffee, Snow. But anyways, guys, I just wanted to touch base, and I was glad to get out and share this with you. Look at that. Hey, look at that, guys. That's some big snow. So anyway, guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe, click the like button, share my videos, me and Willie. We got more to come. And like I said, we build that old Suburban up. We're going to get some overlanding in. I got some places, I got some things in mind. And like I said, it's just got to be off-road a bit. I think Willie's going to enjoy it. We're going to do a small build in the back of it. And that's going to broaden our horizons. So we're just going to finish packing up camp. And we're going to go home. So until next time, guys. Keep on camping with the Badger, guys. Thanks for your time. Me and Willie, we sure do appreciate it.